Welcome to Avida. Our history goes back to 1965 when my parents started the business out of a garage. They started it with one single vision, which was to create a vehicle that fulfills our customers' dream lifestyle. And that vision is still driven in the business today, and we're proud to be Australian owned and manufactured in Western Sydney.
Here at Avida we have a world-class manufacturing facility with state-of-the-art technology. But none of it would work without our people.
I started as a cab shop MBU leader. Through my performance I was able to be promoted to the production manager.
I've been working for Avida for 22 years. Started originally just as a general hand, working through the business from leadership roles up to management roles.
I started in purchasing as a purchasing officer junior, and I moved up to inventory manager just over a year ago.
I've been with Avida for 24 years, and I started as just one of the general upholstery team, and I've risen to be the MBU leader, which I find very challenging and really enjoying, and I love making new product all the time for our customers.
The potential here is insane. There's potential for people to come in and grow, get new skills. Like, it really is a great place to work.
For me personally, I like the work-life balance that it brings. So I still can work full-time, and with the 4.5 working day I still have enough time to be able to do things with my kids, and I'm finishing early enough of an afternoon to be able to cook dinner.
With the flexibility that's on offer, Avida was able to accommodate the working days that I've requested.
At Avida we work really hard on our continuous improvement program.
The company has been very encouraging with training for us as the MBU leaders in lean manufacturing, and that has helped us to stay competitive in the current marketplace.
Coming down the line, people constantly have opportunities to upload and implement their own changes.
It's a great challenge. It's also a great family business.
It's a great dynamic. The people are friendly, the environment is very, very good.
Here at Avida, it's all underpinned by all our employees living the values of we care, we listen, we learn and we act.
So over time we spend a lot of effort and energy working with our people on developing their careers. We're making it even better all the time, and we'd really love you to come and join us.
But what makes us different is the Avida family themselves. Not only the hundreds of team members here on site, but our suppliers and our dealers throughout Australia and New Zealand. Because together we're Avida, and together we're striving to be world class.